Hello everyone, happy Friday and welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today, we got a total of 39 Amazon leads for you guys. 29 coming from Amazon OA and then 10 coming from our Amazon RA. So let's check some of our deals today. There you go from All Beauty. We got 3 leads from Jane Iredale. First one, you could earn a profit is 5.53 with an ROI of 37%. Next is this Shiseido deal. There you could earn a profit of 6.85 with 38% ROI. And lastly, this Dolce and Gabbana Light Blue Spray. There you could earn a profit of 11.41 and with an ROI of 46%. There you go. 3 deals from All Beauty. So here are the rest of the deals that we got from OA and RA leads. So check them out as well. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channel, free extra money channel, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check them out. Next is we got Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon. So check them out as well because they are updated every day because it's a bot operated channel. Next, we got here a price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. There you go. So check them out as well and the rest of the channels and websites that we got. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for our recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.